I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all the staff, supervisors, and also from all the officers, Secretary to GM of Southern Railway with effect from 1/4/2022, and officers.
Items are not figuring in any of the vendor tags. So our team study the rating and the function. I think all of us are part of this very historical event, the iconic workshop of Indian Railways. We are proud that it is part of Southern Railway. That is the Golden Rock workshop, which has always excelled. This is a workshop with a history of almost 100 years. So today, this loco which has been produced is the first of its kind. It is a HSD fired steam locomotive which will be used on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. It is a totally indigenous effort. Hats off to Team GOC. Thank you.
When will be possible Vande Bharat train in Tamil Nadu?
Vande Bharat will take some time. We are expecting a few rakes in the current financial year.
Sir, Vande Gaurav Chittam. Gaurav scheme.
Gaurav, already we have run 5 trains.
Trichy region.
Which one?
Trichy region. Madurai mattu.
That depends. See, it depends on the people who are running the Vande Bharat. Sorry, Bharat Gaurav. So already 5 trains have been run. One more train we are running on 30th of this month. Then 3 trains in October and 1 train in November. And they'll be running on various circuits like Coimbatore, Shirdi and en route Mantralayam. So 2-3 circuits have been identified. Southern Railway is doing very well as far as Bharat Gaurav is concerned. We are the most successful railway. No other railway has run so many trains. Thank you.